Alright, what you're looking at here is a balut egg. And it looks just like a normal egg. But we're going to see what's inside that sucker in a minute. Okay, I've been cracking it. Still, I don't smell bad or nothing so far. This is a balut egg. Okay, now it's starting to get gross. Man. People actually eat this. Not me. We're going to tear into this sucker and find out what it's all about. Okay? Wow. I could definitely not eat one of these suckers. I'm going to tell you that honestly. Wow. Well, since I'm dissecting this thing here, God, I definitely don't like the smell. Smells not very good. Okay, this has the yolk. Oh no. Well, does anybody want to eat this for breakfast? Nope, I'm afraid I would have to pass. This is not something I'm interested in chomping down for my lunch, or my breakfast, or my dinner. No. But as I said, people eat this. Like I said, it's not for me. I got another one I'm going to be opening up. Okay, the one I just opened had not been cooked. And being a person who's never bought a balut to eat, I failed to ask the person if it was cooked. And unfortunately, it was not cooked. As you can see, I'm not going to eat that sucker. Definitely an acquired taste. Yuck. I'm not putting down people who eat food like this, but uh, it's definitely not my cup of tea. course, we're gonna cut into that one there and check it out. I don't know. I think I'm gonna throw this plate away. I don't think I ever want to use that plate again. Yuck. Some people might find this very, very tasty, but not me, guys. God, this is inside a balut egg. I tell you guys, if my wife called me for dinner and said, "Here, sweetheart, come and get it," guess what? I would definitely hit Jollibee up that night. Yeah. And the one on the left has not been boiled, I guess. The guy told me you're supposed to boil them for like 25 minutes. And I only found that out after I bought the first one. See, the first one I bought was the uncooked one. I purchased that for 10 pesos in the market. And I said, wow, this is a great price. But then when I'm walking in the street, I saw a vendor that had balut written on a little basket. And I said, hey, how come you're charging 17 pesos and he's only charging 10? And he said, sir, you're supposed to cook it for 25 minutes. And I said, oh, that's why. So thought I'd give you guys the best of both worlds. Pretty gross, huh? Well, I guess it's what you like. What am I going to do with this thing after my video I take? I guess I'll throw it in the bushes for the cats to eat tonight. Oh, wow. Okay, in this portion here, you can actually make out the duck right there. See, there's the duck. There's his head, his bill. So when they boil it, what happens to the duck? It becomes that mush. I don't know. Okay, there you go. You can definitely make out his head there, his body. Okay, got some more light on the subject so you guys can really see. Uh, this is gross. And my wife actually wants me to buy her these every now and then. I don't think so. Yep. That is a balut. Wow. What in the world ever possessed me to do this video? Uh, and I'm not putting down anybody who eats this, but I think I'm going to vomit if I eat that. And I'm not joking. Whoa. Well, you can see I've really torn this apart. I don't want to really dig into the embryo of the little duck, but I will if everybody wants. I got a knife there. I got a fork. Okay, guys, that's what it's all about. The duck. And definitely graphic. I'd have to say, guys, honestly speaking, I would have to be very, very hungry to eat this. Yep. Yes, guys, I would definitely say I would pass on this meal.